tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with my good friend over at Our Little Bloom. We are going to be doing a power hour, so I'm going to allow her to introduce herself before we jump into cleaning.
Hello friends, my name is Mikaila Perry and my channel is Our Little Bloom. Over on my channel I do lots of cleaning motivation as well as sharing food and drink recipes with you. I also do grocery hauls and meal preps and so much more. I decorate my house for every season. I also just started this new series called Organize the Clutter on my channel where I just organize all the clutter, and I just recently got done doing my kitchen. I hope to see you come over to my channel. I would love to have you. I also want to mention that I am doing a huge money giveaway when I hit 2,000 new friends, so I hope to see you over there. Thank you so much for collaborating with me today, Belle's Beautiful Life.
So it is currently 3:02. I'm gonna start a timer for 1 hour and I'm gonna get started. I have so much to do. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna get done, but that's the whole point of a power hour, isn't it? 1 hour starting now. Let's go. So for this video, I will be starting in the living room and tidying up my couch. My couch is always a complete disaster, so I just want to get all these blankets folded up real quick. That is probably the biggest thing in the living room that I needed to tackle that took the longest, just because there's like 6 blankets on this couch. But luckily 2 of them were already pre-folded, and I just kind of straightened it up, fixed the cushions, retucked in the comforter that is on the couch. I am so excited to be getting my new couch at the end of this month, so make sure you stick around for that because I do want to do like a mini living room makeover. I might get a new coffee table. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of coffee table you think would go good with a light gray couch. Oh, and there's Tulip. She got stuck on the couch and I had to rescue her. For this coffee table, I am going in with the multi-surface cleaner from the Grove, and it is in the smell Apple Pear Blossom. It smells absolutely amazing, and the best part is the entire packaging is eco-friendly. It comes in a glass jar, the concentrated solution comes in cardboard and also in glass jars, and it is so cute. And it also, like I mentioned, smells absolutely amazing. Does anyone else feel like you're constantly battling dust? With allergy season coming, I have opened up all of my windows, I have dusted everything, and having black on the entertainment center, I really like black. My end tables are black, my entertainment center has black, but it shows so much dust, and I dust constantly, and yet it is still all over. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys do to battle dust. Do you guys just open windows, air it out? Do you dust a million times a day like I do? Do you wipe it down with wet cloths? Let me know. So moving into the dining room, as you can see, my table is full of clutter. There is a placemat, there is a watermelon, Shiloh's school stuff. You'll see her a little bit later on when I'm done cleaning. I had to sit her down to get some homework done. She is doing absolutely amazing in virtual school. Getting her to keep her camera on, though, and not play with toys is a bit of a challenge. If you have children, and you're still doing virtual, how do you get them to pay attention and stay focused for 8 hours a day on a computer? Like, she definitely needs a break. I am happy that her grades are still pretty decent. They're up in the high 90s. But getting this child to focus is so complicated. I have to go in constantly and just make sure she didn't find a new toy somewhere. But anyway, I am using that same multi-surface cleaner on the table that I used in the living room. Once again, it smells absolutely amazing, and it is so convenient because I can use one spray for everything, and that's what I'm doing just because I'm so pressed on time at this point. I vacuumed the whole floor, I cleaned the whole table, and I want to get a new dining table. I am thinking about getting one off of Wayfair, a white circle one, or a round one I should say. And I think it might look a little bit better than this really big one, because every time I sit in my chair it hits the wall, and I feel like eventually that's going to be damaging. But let me know what you think. Do you think a smaller table would be better in the dining room? How would you declutter this? Because the bookshelf behind the table is actually just full of Shiloh's school stuff, so unfortunately I cannot move that until summer. But yeah, let's move into the kitchen. For the kitchen, I am just quickly putting the dishes away and getting them done up and just tidying up. This is the last room. I think I had about 15-20 minutes left to get everything done. Yeah, I'm out of breath, but this was one amazing power hour. I am so happy I did this. I think I might actually end up doing this once a week just to kind of tidy up my house, and because it made me feel really motivated to do a power hour, to be honest. And I don't know, I just really enjoyed it. With today's video coming to an end, I want to thank you guys all so much for joining me in another motivational cleaning with me, and I want to thank Mikaila for doing this collaboration. This power hour was just super fun and motivating. If you are over here from Mikaila's channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing if you liked today's video. I'm going to be making a ton more. I have tons more filmed and I need to edit. But anyways, don't forget to comment down below that she sent you. And if you are one of my subscribers, please head over to her channel and check it out. Anyways, I look forward to talking to you guys all in the comments and seeing you all in my next video.